Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Microsoft Team error caa70004. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, going to your desktop, right click on a team Microsoft Team and go to your open file location. And after doing this, select a open file location, right click and go to your properties, go to your compatibility tab and make sure select run this program in compatibility mode is. Select a Windows 8 and click on apply and OK button and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings, right click and go to your run, and after doing this type a command is percentage app data percentage slash forward slash Microsoft and press OK button. After doing this go to your view options and make sure that hidden items will be selected. No, here is a selected. After doing this select the team option and right click and delete it and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. And the next method is that right click and open up file location. After doing this file location, select Windows Microsoft Teams, select right click and go to your troubleshoot compatibility. After doing this it's click on a try recommended settings, click on a test the program. After that select a next button and click on a yes, save the settings for this program. Now you can see that it's automatically find out issues and fix it and close it. Close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that go to your settings search box and type a Credital Manager, open it, and after doing this select the Windows tab. Now after doing this if you have found any MS theme, then remove it. Now in my case it's not running it. If you are running any MS theme file, then remove it. Now close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a fifth method. The fifth method is that go to your settings of the Windows, go to your apps, in the search box type a team, select a Microsoft Team and click on uninstall it. After uninstalling that, go to your any browser and search engine and type a download Microsoft Team, and after doing this download once again download Microsoft Team and install your desktop PC. And after doing this I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.